So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to play YouTube in background without premium on iPhone. When using YouTube on iPhone, background play is officially a premium feature, but there's a simple Safari trick that lets you keep your videos playing without play. So firstly, launch Safari on your iPhone. Go to youtube.com and then search for the video or music you want. Tap it to open and then tap the AA button in the address bar. Select Request Desktop Website and the page will reload in desktop mode. Now press play and then you may need to watch ads first. Now swipe up to go to home or lock your phone and the video will pause. That's normal. Now open Control Center and then tap the play button in the media controls. The audio will continue playing in the background while your iPhone is turned off. Now you can use other apps, send emails, browse Instagram or lock your phone and the audio keeps playing. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.